Do you want to work with Bucket List? Do you want to join our team and work with us?
Thanks for coming out, everybody.
Good morning from Bucket List meeting number 2. Our first Bucket List team meeting was in Belize, and our second one is at our dear friend Brooks's lake house.
I don't need another collar.
Okay, we're going on like almost a year of working with this team that we've built, and it is so fun.
Real, true, honest concern. Is it a problem that we've like made our friends, our work, our friends, like we...
I would say
really love
most
these
people would say yes, definite problem.
But
Or not.
I'm not most people.
And I feel like we're kind of just like a bunch of, like, what's the word? Like misfits who are like not super experienced in this realm, which I think is going to very much play to our advantage.
We hope so.
But it has been so cool this week at the lake house to finally like see things coming together. The riders surprised us like big time. We all sat down together in this theater room and they like pulled us up, and like unbeknownst to us they had stolen a whole bunch of time from our like head designer and animator, and they came out with like, I mean, essentially like a trailer.
This was the setting. So in this beautiful lake house, there's this little theater. And so we get the entire team in the theater. We don't know what we're about to watch. And then they start playing something of an intro with music and narration and like storyboard style animation.
Quietly runs down the hall, shuts the door, closes her window, and hops into bed right before her mom comes to wish her up.
Good morning, little one. Say hello to the sun. Hop on out of
And I'm crying. I look over at Jess. She's got tears coming down her cheeks. It was a beautiful moment. And I would say like moral of the story from that experience is we all like looked around at each other in the room, like the team. And that was the first time where we're like, we're doing this. Like,
Yeah, this is gonna be really great.
we can make this happen.
No, Brian came out to voice this.
Yeah, that's good.
So I mentioned if you want to work at the Bucket List Studios, there's some important things you need to know in this video. And one of the most important, is you've got to be ready to have a playlist. Because when you come on the boat with us and you're going to wake surf, when it is your turn, we are going to turn on your playlist. Did you have any other moments where somebody on our team would give us their playlist, start wake surfing, and their music would come on and you think to yourself, we hired some weirdos. Did you have any of those? Because I sure did.
You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it.
Then I turned on the TV. That's about the time she walked away from me. All girls love me like this.
there are a few people though that like they pick specific songs, and I'm like, okay, that's the type of person.
but also the other way around. I'd be like,
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Yeah,
Natalie,
for sure.
you are epic. You are a partier. So I admitted in this video that one of the writers they hired is my dear brother. He's my older brother. And so it's really hard for me to beat him at anything because there's that mental block of him being my older brother. Hate it. Deal with it my whole entire life. But there's also like that desire to beat him. And everyone on the team is like, yo, Brennan, your biceps looking really big. And I know they were just saying that. But so we had a liftoff. 1, 2, and whoever slows down or gives up loses.
I am very confident I'm gonna destroy Gary. Very confident.
Hey, ready?
Oh, wait, where do you put your hand?
On your mark. Get set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on,
It's not hard to push yourself.
Did you say 20?
I mean, you're not started.
21.
I just want to do it. Okay. Well done. Dude, I didn't see this coming. I did not. Blows my mind.
Oh my god! Yeah!
You gotta push through the pain, because you don't get anything while pushing through pain. And you gotta get swole and get those gains and eat protein and turkey. Protein and turkey?
It really was the absolute perfect setting for our team because we love going places for our meetings where we can be just collaborative, you know, and be in that mode. But then we can also take breaks and just go adventure and play and boat and games.
Here's
and gym,
the problem
fitness.
is at least our last 2 adventures have been very like water based, and like we're water people, right? But not everybody's water people.
There you go. There you go.
The very first day, this is my favorite conversation with Brian. Brian, have you ever wake surfed before? No. Have you ever been on a boat? No. I went on a ferry once. A ferry?
The first time he tried wake surf, I thought to myself, there's not a chance he's ever gonna get this. But my goodness, did he stick with it, and he is just like remarkably obedient. How much joy. This is a recurring theme for us in our lives. It brings us so much joy to take something that we love and share it with someone who's new to it. And my good friend, your whole life's about to change. Welcome to the world of bucket list. massive thank you to our friend Brett for letting us, we came into his home. Our team, our company did. And I remember when we messaged him being nervous, like, I mean, that's a big ask, right? And he just immediately, I mean, those who know Brooks know that he's this type of guy. He immediately was like, that brings me great joy. Like, please, my doors are open to you.
This place, I mean, you kind of hate when I say it, it's my dream home. Brooks has created just the most perfect spot for himself and for me. And nobody drops it low like Brooks. Nobody.
Drop it low, girl. 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 Drop it low, girl.
This is a family channel.